embrace him like he's one of their own.
The mob is fickle, brother. He'll be forgotten in a month.
So true.
No. Much sooner than that. It's been arranged.
We who are about to die, salute you!
Bravo, bravo. Oh, let's watch it again. Boy, so I tell you what, folks. I said don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep on anything right now. Now, I know everyone and their mother's been talking about the inverse head and shoulders. We know, people. We know. But right now, I'm keeping my eye on this candle. Because if this candle closes looking like this one, or sort of like it is right now, then I'm not yet convinced that we're going to have this head and shoulders play out. Plus, we have seen many a head and shoulders not do what the people think, but it could certainly happen. So we'll see what happens. You know what I mean? Until then, that's pretty much all there is to say right now, folks. Good luck out there.